Let's talk about DeLonghi fully automatic bean-to-cup coffee machine ECAM22.110.B, 220W. Cappuccino system. It combines steam, air and milk, producing a rich creamy froth for a great cappuccino. The machine can be used with either fresh coffee beans or with ground coffee. Sophisticated icon control panel to prepare your specific coffee drink. New silent integrated grinder with 13 adjustable settings. You can prepare 2 cups of coffee from one brewing unit. Amazing. So fast and easy to use. If something happen or missing, the machine will flash a light, so just need to check and do whatever it's needed. Cappuccino never been so easy to do. Work in a bar and do a lot of coffees, and this machine it's by far the easiest I ever used to have the perfect foam. Also really good that it clean itself every time you turn on and off. No needed a lot of space and it's really discreet. This is our second DeLonghi coffee machine, but our first bean-to-cup one, and what a difference. We are really impressed with this machine as it is clean, simple to use and produces a gorgeous cup of coffee in seconds. It took us a while to find the coffee beans that suited our taste, but it was worth the experimenting. This machine is excellent value for money and we would highly recommend. My second coffee machine of the same model. The first broke, my fault, was bought from John Lewis. Love the ease of this thing and the coffee it makes. The only downside to ordering this new one was it came with a European plug.